And then Allah continues to say, وَمَنْ كَفَرَ فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ غَنِيٌّ حَمِيدٌ. And someone who rejects to be grateful to Allah, someone who rejects to be grateful to Allah. You know, that's why I always remind myself, and I remind you, my brothers and sisters, and I always hear it, astaghfirullah, we always hear it. It is un-Islamic for Muslims to use the word proud. Forget about it, the English language. You don't take what the language gives you that is not in accordance with Islam. Oh, Allah blessed me with this degree. It is from the blessings of Allah. هَذَا مِنْ فَضْلِ رَبِّي. This business, this achievement, this success is from the mercy of Allah, the bounties of Allah. Not it's my achievement and I am proud today. Forget if the principal says it and the teacher says it. That's their business. You are Muslims. We praise Allah in our words. It's not me. It's Allah's bounty upon us. Don't use that word, I attain this. I am proud today that my son has attained. No, let the people who don't have Iman say those things. And I hear Muslims making that mistake all the time, but I stuck for last and I just try to say, I didn't hear it. Try to get your tongue right. Because it's a little waswasa that shaitan is telling us, you're great, you're great, you're great. Be proud. And then you develop takabbur, arrogance, and pride inside of us. Stay away from it. So what's wrong? Allah has blessed me to be the richest man in the world. Allah has blessed me to have the biggest business in the world. Allah has blessed me the greatest, with children with the best degree. Is Allah blessed you with that? Not you made that. No need to tell people you're proud about that. They will see that. And let them see it's a bounty from Allah. And that was the wisdom of Hazrat Luqman alayhi salatu wasalam. And because he was so grateful and thankful to Allah for everything, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gifted him with that power of wisdom. Words of wisdom. Live by wisdom. He advised people on wise saying.